Good morning, second graders. This is your math lesson for today, October 5th. Let's get started. Okay, so to start with, we are going to watch a vocabulary video, but before we do, I want to give you your learning target. The students will use their chosen strategy to answer two-step addition and subtraction problems. So before we get to that though, I did want to show you this vocabulary video on counting by fives.
There are more ways to count, let's explore. When we count using a number that's not one, it's called skip counting. Here's how it's done. 2, 4, 6 to the 8. The numbers go up, but at a different pace. When we count using a number that's not one, it's called skip counting. Here's how it's done. We're gonna count using a number that isn't one, and the number grid will help us learn how it's done. This is skip counting, and to figure it out, we'll shade in each and every number we count. Start with fives. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Add another 5, and that's 15. Plus 5, 20. Plus 5, 25. I think I see a pattern, am I right? Every number counted, every one we shade, has a 5 or a 0 in the ones place. Let's skip count by tens. 10 plus 10 is 20. Add another 10, 30. Another 10 is 40. It's like counting by ones, but using the tens place. Skip counting allows us to count at a fun pace. Did you hear the news? We could count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, woo! We just keep adding twos again and again. Look at the grid, every even number shaded in. Let's count by hundreds, but without the grid. 100 plus 100 is 200, that's it. Just like counting by ones or tens, but using the hundreds place instead. Now we're counting fast, but don't run. You can skip count by any number you want. 1, 2, 3 to the 4. There are more ways to count, let's explore. When we count using a number that's not one, it's called skip counting. Here's how it's done. 2, 4, 6 to the 8. The numbers go up, but at a different pace. When we count using a number that's not one, it's called skip counting. Here's how it's done. Now let's start from a number that isn't 0. Follow the grid and it will become clear. Count by fives, starting with 8, 13, 18, 23, 28. As we skip count and the numbers get high, look closely at the pattern we find. Counting by fives, we skip ahead at this pace to numbers with an 8 or a 3 in the ones place. How about counting by 10, starting from 34? 10 more than 34 is 44. Each number has one more 10 than the last, and the ones place stays the same. How about that? Let's count by twos, starting from 19. 19, 21 plus 2 is 23. The pattern here isn't weird, it's odd numbers. Starting with an odd number, count every odd number. Now count by hundreds, starting with 83. 183, 283. We can skip count all our favorite things. Let's say we have 4 packs of jelly beans to eat, and each pack has 10 jelly beans each. 10, 20, 30, 40 jelly beans. What a treat. But yo, before we leave, everybody please skip count to the beat. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Okay, what else? Go 33, 36, 39, 42, 45. That's right, okay, 48. Okay, and what else? We got
Okay, so let's continue. We will be doing skip counting, so that was kind of a preliminary review of counting by 5s, 4s, 8s, and 3s. So now your assignment is to go into go into Seesaw and go ahead and do your 2-step addition and subtraction test. Again, that is in Seesaw. It is listed as a 2-step word problem assessment. So go ahead and do that. Remember to take your time and complete the assessment by yourself. All right, make sure you get that done now. Have a good day.